Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Homeschooling Ideas. In my previous videos, which is importance of line, I discussed about lines which are very important in initial writing like English writing, Urdu writing and number writing. We introduce these lines which are standing line like this, draw like this, and sleeping line we can draw this. We will discuss these two lines in this video. Some letters are made with these two lines, sleeping and standing. Then rest of the lines like slanting and curved lines will be discussed in my coming videos. So keep watching. We will discuss the letters which are made with the sleeping and standing line in this video. 6 letters which are made with these two lines will be discussed in this video. Their worksheet will be discussed in this video, so keep watching. This is very first worksheet which is done by Ash. I made this worksheet. I draw colored dots so that Ash do his worksheet with great interest. Each line or letter should be consist on 7 days. After 7 days, next letter should be started. One worksheet should be done daily. Dot should be big in size in start so that kids can easily write on that dots. Draw some objects so students can do their work with interest. Next worksheet, half sleeping lines are started. Arsh has made it dirty while he is doing work. This is first worksheet of a sleeping line. PK testing is included. Dots in big size. Standing line, we have learned standing line, so we have to include in PK testing. Each letter, each number which we have learned should be included in PK testing in each worksheet. So your child will not forget the letter which he has done. L is made with the sleeping and standing line, so we include with this worksheet. And T also is made with standing and sleeping line. This is the first letter which is made with standing and sleeping line. Draw full dots, draw some objects. We start with L, lamp, leaf. Draw some boxes and which shows the shape of L. Draw the big dot firstly and reduce the dots slowly. Now check the writing of this worksheet. You can compare with this worksheet with the very first worksheet which is this. You can compare the writing, check the writing of the child. Now second letter is T, which is made with the lines sleeping and standing lines. We have learnt L, so we have to include it as a you can check the writing of your child. Draw some object which start with the T, and if you can't draw, you can paste the picture of object. Third letter is H. H start with the two standing line and one sleeping line. You can see I draw some objects, the hand of my child. We have to include all the letters as PK testing which we have learned in previous worksheets. After H, F will be started. F makes with 3 lines, one standing line and two sleeping lines. Previous letters are included as PK testing, as you know. Draw some objects which start with letter to enhance the knowledge of your child. Sleeping and standing lines also include as a revision. You can check the writing of your child. Firstly draw full dot and then slowly reduce your dots. I draw the frog, F for frog. You can compare the first worksheet and seventh worksheet. There is a huge difference of writing. This is worksheet of E. I can't draw elephant, so I paste the picture of elephant. So L, T, H and F are included as PK testing. So you have to revise all these letters which we have learned. I paste the picture of an egg. Next, dots of E reduces. Yes, yeah, this is standing and sleeping lines include as revision. Draw some object and your child will do work with great interest. Draw some drawing. You can check the writing. So you have to tell me in comments, is there any difference between writing of a first worksheet and second last worksheet. This is the last letter which is made with the standing and sleeping line. I missed this letter to make the worksheets when Arsh has done his worksheet of slanting line and also done worksheet of A. Then I got the letter that I have missed, letter I, which is also made with the standing and sleeping line. I is not easy to write for the child. It looks easy, but not easy to write. Sleeping lines are so small in this letter. Students can't write easily. We have to draw dots in all worksheets. We can't reduce the dots in this letter because it is not easy to write. Here I forgot to paste or draw the picture of an iron. You can observe that PK testing is in every worksheet. PK testing is very important to continue. I draw the object which start with the letter. So students will learn the sound of the letters also. So guys, how is my efforts? How are my worksheets? Dear parents, your child has to do practice of 7 days worksheet. It leaves a good effect on its learning ability and writing will be neat and clean. I hope you like my video, my detailed video. Please tell me how is my effort which is making a worksheet. Also tell me about Arsh writing, who is very excited to know your comments about his work. So rest of the lines will be discussed in my coming videos, so keep watching. If you want more videos, please like and comment. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah. Good luck. Allah Hafiz. Bye.